this is a cool trick that you can use if you don't really know how to find a good color to highlight or to pair with a color that you love. So for example, let's say that you are designing a new funnel and then you stumble upon this color, this green color, and you really loved it and you want to use it as a primary color because you want your funnel to have this like as an 80% color throughout the funnel, right? But then again, you don't really know what kind of colors you can use for the buttons or for the highlights or all that stuff, right? So there's a cool trick that you can do. Now here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the hex code here, and I'm going to go to ClickFunnels right there, right? Now here, I'm going to go to settings and adjust the background color to solid, and it was the same color, okay? So now I have this color, but as you can see, this blue, it doesn't really combine, like go really, really well with this color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use the same color, and then I'm going to go to color wheel, okay, Adobe color wheel. And now I'm going to select it. Now I'm going to go to complementary, okay? Now here I just switch it to this one instead, okay? And now you have these, these other colors within the spectrum of complementary right there. So what this means is that if you like something within the same spectrum, you can copy this color or this color instead, right? You can copy it, and now you can use it in your button. So let's go ahead and first try to see if we have no, all right, we don't have any CSS code there. So let's go to the settings. Now background, we have a gradient here, but I just want a solid color and I want that to be that one. Okay, so in terms of contrast, it works fairly well, but now we just need to go for text color and try to find something more, darker, so it pops there. Okay, obviously you could give a little bit more, padding on the vertical to make it better here, and there you go. Okay, so this will be something that you could use, right, for this color as well. Let's go here and change it, and for this color as well. So for example, here, let's go ahead and see the background color. So maybe in this one I have CSS. No, I don't. So let me go ahead and see what's happening here. Background. No, it's in this element. So now here, color, I just want the background color for this case. And now I'm going to go ahead and choose this color. Right, so now for the color here, I would go for something more dark for, and then it will change the icon color here as well. So for something like there, and there you go. There you would have it, okay? So it's like these two colors would combine well. So I would just change this one as well to something like in that scenario. And there you go. So now let's just give another example here. Let's say that we want this one instead, right? So I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Copy the hex code, go to the color wheel, change it right here, okay? And now you have this color scheme, right, that you can use right there. So now here, I'm gonna go to the second one. I'm gonna change the color right there to this color instead, okay? Now this, I can change it to white because I haven't yet. I'm gonna just clone these elements, to be honest, just so it's easier. There you go. Now I just want the complementary color. So there you go. I could choose this one here. Go here, change the colors. Want this one. And now for the button, I don't want a gradient. I want a solid color, and I want that hex code. Now here I could do a little bit more, something like that. And for the color, something more darker tones, something around the same thing here. So, go for background, you change it here. And then for the bold color, I would go for something like that, and the icon color as well. So there you go. You with this trick, you found very quickly two colors that you can use, and you can link them with your main color that you loved, right? Hope that helped. If you have any other kind of questions on how this works, or how can you find the tertiary color, or any other thing related to funnel design, let us know, and I'm gonna go ahead and build a tutorial for that. Have a wonderful day.